Okay, so if you're familiar with the idea of a work order detail sheet, what a detail sheet is a pre-built form for a mechanic to fill out for different things, for sectional PM or dock level or things like that. And it's just text. So he has to fill in between the text on the screen. We want it to be text so we could save it with the work order and actually to be able to edit it if needed. But it can be clumsy working on a tablet and so on. But I'm going to just pick one of the existing ones here, just a sectional door PM. Okay, I'm going to pick that and throw it in the details sheet box. So what we get is just all the text. So what he's got to do is he's got to come through here and put X's on or whatever and things like that, and make notes and so on, make choices. And then that gets saved. So if I save that, what happens is that's what's in the detail sheet. Okay, but we wanted a way to give them an easier way to enter data and so on, more like a web page with drop downs and things like that. So we built the ability to design web-based detail sheets. So I'm going to pick one here. I've got a sample one. It's not a real one, but just give you an idea what this looks like. Simple sectional checklist. Okay, I'm going to add that one, and you'll see what happens. Instead of just filling in the detail sheet box, it actually creates a live entry form. So I'm going to click this. You see the entry form. This is like I say, it's just a sample one I built. But so I put in here. There we go. And I can pick my series. It's got a drop down, so I can pick whatever series I want. And then it's got check boxes, of course, and we can add as many as we want. Then a multiple choice where you have to pick one or the other. And of course, you know, room for comments. Whatever. So now when I save this, what's going to happen is it's going to put it in the detail sheet just like the others, and then it's editable and we can go back and look at it. It's saved on the work order, but hopefully this gives people a little easier way to enter the data on it. So I save it, and when I go back and look at my detail sheet, here's the results of my form down here. That's what I entered on it. Okay, and the forms can be built just as, you know, we can make those as sophisticated as we want. I did one here which is just a sample. Let's see. What I'm looking for is this one. Yeah. That's a web entry form there. So when I click this one, it gives you an idea what you can do with this. This has an image in it, has a sketch in it, has text boxes, it has drop downs, it has multiple choice buttons, and since most companies now are working on tablets with the work orders, this should be easier to enter. Now this form here, if it's on a tablet, it would wrap around and be longer, but I'm not sure. It's not really designed to be used on a tablet anyway. This is just to give an idea of what you can do with these things. But you can pretty much do anything to do with a web page. And then if I hit save, this would put this on the detail sheet just like the other ones did. But that's a quick overview of how this thing is designed to work.